Proline Billiard tables built in Longwood, Florida. Anybody know anything about these tables? So I also looked at more than old cars when I went to Florida.
All right, here's my first. I couldn't at least knock some of these balls around. I'm making all kinds of. He's got my hat on. I ain't got my contacts in. That's all right. At least I made the first ball I shot at. That's got to be a good sign, right? Oh, I made the second ball. Oh my goodness, I made the third ball. See if I can bank one. Oh my goodness, I made the fourth ball. I'm hooked now. Hooked now. Alright, on to the stripes. So I made 4 in a row. First time I got to shoot. Oh wait, did I slop it in? Did I slop it solid? Ah, I slopped it solid. Shoot on, buddy. Oh my goodness. Long ways down there. No way I made that. Now if I could get right here, would that be cool if I ran the table the first time I shot on my table? Chances of that I probably have is like none. Because I gotta get literally right there. Let's see. Oh, told you. Oh wait. I can cut it from there. Left corner pocket. Oh! I ran the first rack I ever shot on my table and I scratched in the corner. Oh my gosh! Dang! Can you believe that? Look at that. I did slop one ball in, but I ran the first rack ever on my table, but I scratched. Look at that. Shucks. Loser.